Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos, and today we're going to be looking at a paint made by D&J. It's the GoodHome, their GoodHome brand, and it's designed for walls and ceilings. It has wipeable feature, and the particular shade we're using is a San Domenico matte shade, but we're just going to look at,
I would say chocolate milkshake. Now
let's look at the features of the paint.
A few bits on the back.
You obviously have to prepare it, paint, clean, usual thing. Gives a smooth wipeable finish. The new painted look will last longer, made in Germany. 2 to 4 hours drying time and 2 times roller.
Okay, so this tub here is 5 litres and it was 22 quid. Now, you'd expect to pay that for Dulux or Crown. I've never used this paint before, but it's not often, saying that, we did use some paint there, it's brilliant. This is probably one of the best paints I've used. I bought 2 tubs of it thinking I'm going to need it. You can see the kitchen, but I don't think I will because it literally is. The thing they don't mention...
It's not a small kitchen, but it's not a massive kitchen. It's reasonably sized.
But what they don't mention on the tub, so there's white, because I'm going over this white, is it just covers. I'm using a real soft brush for this, so I don't get too many lines. The other thing I've noticed is that this is a matte finish, and some emulsions, when you're using a brush, it leaves a lot of lines. I prefer using a brush so I don't get it splattered everywhere, even how careful you are. But you can see how it just covers. That's why it's just gone straight over it. It's just really good. It's really easy to apply. That.
Okay, so it's easy to apply and it covers well.
Comes in a range of colours, and for the money, or it's 22 quid a tub. You can see how nice that's gone on there, even if I've flattened the wall down a bit. For the money, it's excellent value, and do you know what, I think I'll switch from Dulux over to B&Q's, what's it say, GoodHome paint.
It's GoodHome paint, it's one they've advertised.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, I mean, that needs to dry yet, but it's just excellent quality. And just going on is so easy.
There will be a few areas in here where we've got to flatten down an end paint, but
we just thought we'd show you the paint, how well it goes on, and what sort of value it is. And the thing is, it is wipeable as well, so it's brilliant for kitchens, walls and ceilings. We won't do the ceiling in this, but in the
that won't look right, to be honest.
Just to blend it all in, and it dries fairly quick as well. And the brushes, you just wash in warm water with a bit of mild detergent, so there's not a lot even on the brush there, and it's just, so if it would cover wipe with one brush, it's going to cover anything. So really, I guess what I'm trying to say to you is that even though it's 22 quid for 5 litres, you're not going to need a lot. I doubt very much that I'll need that second tub.
Yeah, so this is just our review on the paint. This is our initial review on the paint, so if you're thinking about buying this, it gives you a bit of confidence.
I mean, normally we wouldn't do reviews on paints because it's fairly boring,
yeah,
but I've been putting this on, I thought, my God, this is good paint. So let's let people know it's good paint. And I'd give B&Q 10 out of 10 for this. And pricing, it's a fair price. You see, you've done a fair bit already. For the coverage, it's absolutely excellent.
Right, thanks for watching.